Hi, I am Sushmita. Today we will create a simple and fun card with watercolor brush pens. Let's start with flowers. With a watercolor brush pen, draw the petals and leave some white space in the center. To get a watercolor effect, blend the flowers with water brush pens. You can also use a normal brush. Check out the description to know more about the materials I have used. Now let's paint another flower. This time I am using a more subtle color. Blend the color until you're really happy with the effect. Try to stick to a 3 or 4 color palette, usually a cool, a warm and a neutral shade. Here I have used blue, peach and brown. Continue the same technique and paint more flowers and leaves. I have filled only the top half of the card. At the bottom, we can write a quote or some positive phrases. I wrote, "Dreams come true." I believe that it's never too late to follow your dreams. Voila! Your card is ready. Here's a bonus video on how to make a simple bookmark with the same techniques that we use for the card. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and do comment below. Thank you for watching.